If you're watching this, I'm gonna assume that A. You're a human, and B. You have your very own human body. If so, you probably know that it needs some basic necessities to keep your bag of organs alive. Every day, you need 3 square meals, 8 glasses of water, 8 hours of sleep, and social interaction with other humans. Ideally, you want all 4, but I usually manage with 3. But there's another thing that everybody needs, but some people, me, never do. Using your muscles so hard that they fall apart, and then using them even harder the next day, or as some people like to call it, exercise. Exercise is basically anything you do that takes effort and uses your muscles. This can be anything from running a marathon to walking from your room to the nearest McDonald's for 5 cheeseburgers. Lifting something heavy, stretching your body, playing sports, and running from your responsibilities are all forms of exercise. There's different types of exercise depending on what you want to achieve. Whether you want to lose weight, get stronger, or get 6-pack abs because you think it'll get you a girlfriend, there's an exercise program for you. But how does using your muscles a lot make them stronger? Whenever I use mine, all I get is 3 weeks of not being able to walk. Well, when you do something that requires effort from your muscles, you make tiny little tears in them. These are supposed to be microscopic, so if you are ripping apart your entire muscle while you exercise, you might be doing something wrong. After some time, these tears heal up, and this makes the muscles stronger than before. So the more you exercise, the stronger your muscles get. Kind of like how the more you play a game, the stronger you get. Except nobody cares about your maxed out character. Exercising also helps you lose weight. To move your body while you exercise, you need some kind of fuel source. This can come from anywhere, like the depths of hell, but it usually comes from the food you eat. But if you're some kind of superhuman and manage to use all the calories you ate while exercising, your body uses calories from other places, like your fat reserves. So as you exercise, you slowly use them up. Unfortunately, this method takes months or even years. But unless you want to starve yourself, or give hundreds of dollars to an Instagram model for her all-natural herbal teas, this is probably the best way to lose weight. Now there's many different types of exercise. There's a huge range of them, based on who you are, what your end goal is, and how hard you want to work. There's stuff like HIIT, which, as the name probably tells you, basically involves training until you fall apart for 5 minutes, doing something lighter for 5 more, and then repeating that process until you either give up or die. On the complete opposite end, you have stuff like yoga, which is all about relaxing yourself while you stretch muscles that you didn't even know existed. If you're a beginner, you can start off with the easy stuff, and as your body gets used to it, you progress to harder and more tiring workouts. So whether you're just starting out or you've been working out since you were born, you're still gonna suffer. So now you might be thinking, why do people willingly go through all this effort? Well, there are some benefits to exercising, otherwise nobody would do it. Exercising can help you lose weight and strengthen your muscles, but it can also improve your stamina and help you last longer when you do something physical. So you last more than 6 seconds the next time you're running to catch the bus or when you're running from the police. It can also make you feel happier, because when you exercise, your brain releases drugs that improve your mood. Of course, there's other ways to get these drugs, but unfortunately, most of them are illegal. Exercising also reduces your chance of having heart disease and getting a heart attack, by making it beat so fast that it forgets how to stop itself. So all in all, exercise is a wonderful activity that everyone should do every single day. It has so many benefits and you'll feel much better after doing it. Or you could just stay at home and get some food delivered to you. Sure, that's way more unhealthy, but you're either here for a long time or you're here for a good time.